Hello guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can set up a animated countdown for our website. Okay, so this countdown is based for showing your expertise or your number of clients or income you generated through your business, or how many people you helped, and this type of things you can show. Okay, so before getting started the setup, let me show you an example, okay, how you can use this and how it actually looks like. Okay, so here is a demo page I already set up, and if we scroll a bit down, then you can see this is a countdown. Okay, so in this countdown I am showing that experience or triple crown, like happy customers, how many customers we served, number of years we are working or helping clients, and number of products we have. Okay, so if I show you again, just scroll a bit up and get back to it, and you can see this is automatically countdown. Okay, so we are going to see how we can set up these things on our GoHighLevel. Okay, so for that, let me go back to GoHighLevel. This is just a demo page. Okay, I did not get any element yet, and now I'm going to put some demo element like the headline, the subject line. Then I'm going to put a video. Okay, this is because I want to uh, scroll a bit down. Okay, so that is why I'm putting all this information. Let me make the video a little bit smaller. Okay, like this. And then I will put another section. Let's say it's a 2-column section where I will put another headline, subheadline, again a small paragraph. Okay, and then here I will put an image. Is it? And then I'm going to take another section. Okay, in this section I'm going to put the countdown. Okay, so here let me just give it a background color so that we can identify clearly. And then let me take a 3-column row as well as a 1-column row before that. Okay, and then we put our ground start here. Okay, I'm just giving it a random headline, and then I will put like happy customers. Then I will put another headline. This is for uh, years of experience. And then I will take another one. This will be products. Okay, and then I will give it a background color. Like, I'm just showing you how you can set up this. This is not a GoHighLevel page design tutorial, okay, but still we want to make something looks better, right? So image should be top, and then I'm going to make this a round shape image. Okay, circle. Then let me put 150 pixel width, 150 pixel height, and copy, make 2 more, and drag and drop to other column. Okay, so now it looks a bit better. And then we are going to put the code. Okay, so before put the code, okay, we need a little bit adjustment. Here is the code we are going to use for this. Okay, so first of all, we put this CSS into our custom CSS here. Okay, so no changes needed, just copy and paste. And then for the first counter, okay, so let me show you something. Okay, so the data start from 0, the countdown start from 0. Here is it, and then the countdown start end on 250. If we make 150, then we just need to make this change, and then a few more changes we need to do, like there are some class name. Okay, and the function name. So you don't need to know what is function, what is the CSS class or whatever. You don't need to know anything. All you just need to change the this name. Okay, this name you need to change, like for the first countdown you don't need to change anything. For the second countdown you need to change 1 2. Okay, then here is it. So let me show you that. First, for the first countdown we just copy everything and then we will paste it here. Okay, all we need to take a custom HTML CSS element and then go back here and put it here, and that's it. And one more thing, okay, so if you want to show like this one, okay, 120k, if you want to use this like k or million or whatever, then you just need to make a bit adjustment here. Okay, so into this option, okay, start 0, and here you just need to put the k, okay, like this. If we want to show that 150k, okay, so let me do this. Just copy everything. Oh, okay, copy everything and then go back to the editor and paste it. Okay, then for the years of experience, let me save it. Okay. For years of experience we need to let's say we have 15 years experience, then we need to make it 15, then we can put it here, years. Okay, then few changes as I said. Let's say for my section 1, okay, and the count C counter, okay, C container, I think, yeah, C container 1 we need to make it 2, and then we can search if there any where else C control. Here is it, another, let it make 2 and then search it again. Okay, no, okay, good. My section 1, let's search again, put it here, let me make 2, search again. Okay, so we have again it here, make it 2, again search. Okay, very good. C container 1, again search. Where is the C container? Make it, okay, so make it 2, again search. C container 1, okay, we'll search 1. Here is it, another one, make it 2, and then go back. This one we already changed, I think. Let me double check. Okay, we changed. And then observer 1, okay, here is observer 1, make it 2, like oh, sorry, make it 2, again here is another one, make it 2. That's it, no other changes. Then just copy everything again. Okay, so you need to do this if you want to have multiple countdown. Okay, otherwise if you need just one, then you don't need any changes. All you just need to copy and paste. Okay, so in this case it's the second one. And then our products, okay, say for products we have let's say we have 100 products or we have 50 products, let's say. Okay, then go back, make it 50. Okay, 50 products, and then search it here. Okay, so in this case we made 2, like so search it 2, make it 3. Okay, make it 3, search it again, where is it, make it 3, then search it. Okay, very good. And then C container we made 2, so search 2. We can also replace, okay, like this. Okay, so everywhere it's C container 2, we'll make C container 3, like this. We can also make sense everywhere. It's simple also if you use the VS Code editor. Again search it like 2. Okay, so we can make it 3 within a single click. And then this one I have to search and then make it 3, replace. Yeah, got it. So all done. So now we need to copy everything and then paste it here. Okay. Just take another HTML JavaScript element, paste it here, save. Okay, so now we will preview, and if everything goes well, then we should have the active countdown timer. Okay, it's not timer though, sorry, the active counter, right? So let's just preview, and then if everything works, we should see this. Okay, scroll down. Okay, here is it. You can see. So we need to have a space like 15 years, 50 products. Okay, so we need to have a space between that. All we need to come back, and then we can put space here. Okay, it should work properly. Okay, if this is years, set, it should work. If not, then we will try another way. Okay, so let it check. Okay, so everything is perfect, right? So everything is working. If we scroll a bit up and go back and see, the counter is working just fine. So this way you can actually set up the counter for your website on GoHighLevel. Okay, so it actually worked on other platform like ClickFunnels or anywhere. They actually have the option to add a custom HTML, JavaScript, as well as the CSS. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you find it helpful, then feel free to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. We are actually making so many custom stuff for, especially for GoHighLevel. So if you also need this code, then you can get the code from the link in the comment. You will find that link into the comment. And as I said, just feel free to write your comment. If you need any adjustment, then you can do that. You can also book an appointment if you need help to set up this on your website. Okay, just go to the comment section, okay, or the description of the video. You will find the link to set up a call with me. Then we can solve this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.